Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the if and function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. The if and function is used in Microsoft Excel if ever we need to have multiple conditions for our if statement. These conditions must be satisfied in order to produce a specific value. If those values are not satisfied, we will be given another value to correspond with those that don't fall under those criteria. To further explain the function, let's go ahead for an example. Let's say there are a list of employees in the company and you want to know whether they're the CEO or the employee. There's a repeated name over here with one working at 18 months and one working at 6 months. In order to differentiate the two, we must use the if and function. This is how we do it. First, type the if function. And then, type the and function right after the if function. Once you've done that, we can set multiple logical conditions. For example, we need our cell to be equal to Gab. By entering a comma, we can enter our second condition. If you're a CEO of a company, that would most likely mean that you're the oldest one staying within the company. So, to determine that, we can use another function called large. So, by using that, let's choose the array that we are going to determine. Let's make it an absolute reference so that if we copy-paste the formula, it will not change. And lastly, subtract it from the current month on the corresponding employee. If it equates to 0, then it must be the largest. And lastly, we just have to close up the end function before going into the satisfactory value. If those conditions are met, we can say that the employee is the CEO of the company. Else, if that does not satisfy the equation, let's just put employee. Close up the function and press enter. I forgot about the ranking format with our array. Let's just put 1 for now. And there we go. This is what printed out in our employee type column. Now, by dragging the cell down, we can copy paste it to all of the cells. Let's look at the results. And there we go. We displayed the CEO within the company, as well as the employees. And that is how you use the if and function in Microsoft Excel.